This is Ruelia, also known as the Mexican Petunia, a magical purple flower that lights up every garden. But here is the best part. You can multiply this beauty at home with 100% successful propagation. Let's learn step by step how to do it. Step 1. Choose the right cutting. Start by selecting a healthy green branch. Look closely at the knots, the tiny joints where leaves grow. You may even see small root bumps there. Cut just below the knot 4 to 6 inch long. This ensures the fastest root growth. Step 2. Soil mix. For 100% success, prepare this special soil mix. 50% garden soil, 30% sand, 20% cocopeat or compost. This keeps the cutting moist, airy and safe from rotting. Step 3. Planting the cutting. Remove the lower leaf and keep only 2 or 3 at the top. Insert the cutting about 2 to 3 inch deep into the soil. Press gently so it stands firm. Water lightly to settle it in the place. Step 4. Rainy season water care. During rainy season, Ruelia loves natural humidity. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. If heavy rain floods the pot, shift it under the shade to protect against rot. Balanced moisture guarantees strong root. Step 5. Rooting and growth. In just 1 to 2 weeks, roots will appear.
Wow!
The clear sign of success. Fresh green leaves sprouting from the top. Your Ruelia is now ready to grow strong and spread its purple magic. So friends, that's how you propagate Ruelia with 100% success. Plant it once and enjoy endless purple blooms season after season. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for gardening